Hello everyone, today we are going to solve proportion and ratio problem. Number 1, find the ratio of 12 days to 4 weeks. So we cannot immediately solve this kind of problem. Kailangan yung days at saka yung 4 weeks kasi hindi magkaparehas, so kailangan parehas days. So we are going to change 4 weeks to 28 days. Kasi bawat isang weeks is 7 days, so times 4, 28 days. We use the ratio now is 12 over 28. Then we're going to reduce, divided by 4, numerator and denominator. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, 28 divided by 4 is 7. 4 is the common factor for 12 and 28. So 3 over 7 or 3 is to 7. So this is now our final answer, 3 is to 7 for the ratio. Okay, next, number 2, find the ratio of 4 centimeter to 8 meters. So again, centimeters, 8 meters, so different. So we're going to dapat maging the same unit. So we are going to change now the 8 meters to, we are going to multiply by 100 because in 1 meter equivalent to 100 centimeter. So 8 times 100 equals 800 centimeter. Now we will make now the ratio 400 divided by 800. So we're going to cancel, so 4 over 8. Then 4, i-reduce natin, divided by 2 or divided by 4. The greatest now common factor dapat. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 1 over 2 or 1 is to 2. So this is our answer now for the ratio. Okay, next, number 3, given measure of angle A equals 60 degrees, measure of angle B equals 90 degrees. Find the ratio of angle A to angle B. So our solution, we have to measure of angle A over measure of angle B. Hindi siya pwedeng pagbaliktarin. And then equals to measure of angle A, substitute 60 degrees, measure of angle B 90 degrees, and we're going to divide it. 60 divided by 30 equals 2, and 90 divided by 30 equals 3. In order to reduce the fraction. So 2/3 or 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is now our answer. Next, number 4, given perimeter of a triangle equals 84 centimeter, ratio of the side is equals to 2 is to 4, 4 is to 8. And what is the measure of each side? So solution, we have an assumption, let x be the common factor of the ratio of this. And to find the value of x, so we're going to use 2x, 4x, 8x equals 84. Then we're going to add 2 plus 4 plus 8 equals 14. X equals 84. Then 14x equals 84 divided by both sides by 14. And we have now x equals to 6. So x natin, 2x times 6 equals 12 centimeter. So 4x, 4 times 6 equals 24 centimeter. And 8x, so we have 8 times 6 equals 48 centimeter. And the total is 84 centimeter. What is the measure of each side? So the measure of each side is 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 48 centimeter. Next, number 5, find the value of x given 5 over x equals 4 over 8. This time is proportion. Our solution, just copy first, 5 over x equals 4 over 8. Then we will use cross multiplication. 4 times x equals 4x. 5 times 8 equals 40. Then we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4 just to eliminate the numerical coefficient of x. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times 6 equals x. Then 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So the value of x now is 10. Next, number 6, given 4 over x plus 4 equals 3 over x, find the x. Our solution, copy first the question, 4 over x plus 4 equals 3 over x. Then we're going to apply the cross multiplication. 4 times x equals 4x, then 3 times x plus 4 then 4x copy equals, simplify, 3 times x equals 3x, 3 times 4 equals positive 12, 4x equals 3x plus 12, then transpose 3x to the left side of the equation, becomes now 4x minus 3x equals, the 12 just only copy, 4x minus 3x equals x, then copy 12. So the measure or the value of x is 12. Okay, number 7. If the measures of the angles in a triangle have the ratio of 2:4, 4:6, what kind of triangle is given? Our solution, we have to set up an assumption. Let x be the common factor of the angles. So that's why we have in our equation 2x plus 4x plus 6x. 2 from the ratio and 4 and 6, and x is from our common factor of the angles, letter x. Then after that, after the equation, we're going to add, we have now 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 12x. Then just copy 180 degrees. Then 12x divided by 12, 180 degrees divided by 12. So whatever the numerical coefficient of x, that will be the number that we're going to divide. That's why 12 divided by 12 equals 1 times x equals x. 180 divided by 12 equals 150 degrees. The angle measures now is 2x. 2 times 15 equals 30 degrees. 4x equals 4 times 15 equals 60 degrees. 6x equals to 6 times 15. 15 came from here, from the value of x, equals 90 degrees, so with a total of 180 degrees, which is equal to the interior angles of a triangle. Now, to determine what kind of triangle is given, the triangle is a right triangle. Okay, number 8, find the mean proportional of the following. So A, 4 and 8 equals to blank, B, 8 and 9 equals to blank, and C, 50 and 2 equals to blank, and 4, 12 and 16 equals to blank, 5, 125 and 5 equals to blank. To find the solution for A, we will use the square root of 4 and we're going to multiply. 4 times 8 equals 32, square root equals 32. Then we're going to find the factor of 32, which is one of the factors of perfect square. So we have now 16 and 2. 16, the square root of 16 is 4, and copy 2. So our answer is 4 square root of 2. Next for B, 8 times 9. So square root of 8 times 9 equals to 72. And the square root of 72 now is 6 square root of 2. And next, number letter C, 50 times 2. The square root of 50 times 2 equals the square root of 100, and the square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. Next, number 4, 12 and 16. We have to multiply 12 and 16. The square root of product of 12 and 16 equals square root of 192. So the factor, which is 1 is a perfect square, is 64 and 3. Then the square root of 64 is 8. Then copy square root of 3. Letter A, 125 times 5 equals square root of 625. And 625 is a perfect square, so our square root of 625 is 25. Next, number 9, use the proportion x over y equals 7 over 9 to complete each proportion. So this is our basis for answering letter A. And the given now is x over 7. What is the proportion of this? So we have to look for x and 7. So the situation now is x over 7. So the next number here is 7y over 9. So that's why our answer here is y over 9. Letter B, y over x equals, so this is our guide. So y and x, so in reverse, so reciprocal. So our answer is 9 over 7. So for letter B, the answer is 9 over 7. X plus y over y, so x plus y, so that's 9. And x is 7, so 7 plus 9 over 9 is our answer. And 7 plus 9 equals 16 over 9. Letter D, 9y. So this is the 9y. So the answer is 7x. So the answer is 7x. X minus y and y. So this is the x minus y over y. So that is 7 minus 9 equals over 9 equals 7 minus 9 equals negative 2 over 9. Okay, number 10. Given 30 black marbles, 35 blue marbles, required letter A, find the ratio of blue marbles to black marbles. So since asking for the blue marbles, our numerator now is 35 over the black marbles. We have 30, that's the denominator. Then we're going to divide it by 5. We're going to reduce this fraction. 35 divided by 5, 30 divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Or 7 is to 6 is now the ratio. Next, letter B. Find the ratio of black marbles to blue marbles. So asking for black marbles. So black marbles now is 30. Our numerator over the blue marbles, 35 is our denominator. Then again we're going to reduce this fraction and to divide by 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 35 divided by 5 equals 7, or 6 is to 7 is our ratio. Number 7, letter C rather. Find the ratio of black marbles to the total of marbles. And total of marbles, so we're going to add 30 plus 35. That's the total marbles. Asking for the black marbles. So our black is 30 and our denominator is the total marbles. 30 plus 35 equals 65. Then we're going to reduce. So the common factor is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 65 divided by 5 equals 13, or 6 is to 13. Next, number 11. 90 centimeter roof is divided and the ratio of 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4. What is the length of its part? So in our solution, let us have an assumption. Let x be the common factor of its part. So for every ratio now, we're going to write x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Then equals to given 90 centimeter. Then next, we're going to add x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x. We have silent one here, so that's why we have 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then x equals 90. Then divided by 10. Whatever the numerical coefficient of x, divided by both sides by 10. So 10 divided by 10 equals 1 times x equals x. 90 divided by 10 equals 9 centimeter is the value for x. So the partitive now, the partition for 1 is 9, and for 2 part we have 9 times 2 equals 8, 10. The 3 parts, 9 times 3 equals 27, and the 4th part is 9 times 4 equals 36, with a total of 90 centimeter.